Mr. Green from Pontypool bought a Compton Ambassador garage many moons ago. It was since modified, having received an Onduline roof and an automatic shutter door. The sellers of this door hadn't really thought through the installation, reducing the door width from an 11-foot to something like 7-foot width, which wasn't at all practical, taking into account the near 90-degree turn necessary to approach the garage door. Our survey highlighted a couple of points for improvement, which included the addition of an automatic garage door opener and PVC fascias. This building was, after all, a Compton building, so we were able to provide items to near original specifications. The new 11-foot 2-inch width main door fits like a glove, a vast improvement on the original and previous main doors. The Juniper Green roof was a fine choice and far more practical than droopy bitumen sheeting.